Hi everyone. So today let's talk about the Bluetooth retrofit and why it's so cool to have on your vintage or retro car radio, right? We do use actual Bluetooth module. This is not Bluetooth transmitter on radio frequency. This is actual module we put inside and make this activate with the original car buttons. So no hanging wires, clean looks, clean dashboard, okay? And here is a pure example why it's so cool. So let's just say you just finished restoring your 1979 Datsun 240Z or little guy such as Suzuki S40, okay? And those cars from 70s, sometimes they don't even have FM mode. So radios like this, okay, here is no CD player, no cassette player, and there is no actual radio. Okay, this frequency, like middle waves or long waves, we don't use those any longer. So what we actually can do, we put this Bluetooth module inside and we make this radio as a Bluetooth player only. So you will still have clean dashboard, original radio, and you can actually enjoy it and bring your weekends more fun, okay? So in a minute I'm gonna show you how it works. This exact radio is, as you can see, here is no FM mode, so there is no radio, no cassette, no nothing. And we did put the Bluetooth in it, and in a minute I'm gonna show you how it works. Alrighty, so radio is already connected. Just imagine this is already in your dashboard. So all you need to do is connect radio with the pair radio with the phone for the very first time, okay? So simply turn the radio on.
Welcome to use Bluetooth speaker.
Please don't laugh about these Chinese voices. Factories, they do that. Some of them does, some of them not. And now we need to pair phone with the radio, okay? So let's go to Bluetooth. Here's device, pair it.
Bluetooth connection succeed.
And that's it. Basically, this is it. All we have to do, go to our cell phone and play any music we have. How cool is that, huh? And all the rest buttons on the radio, they simply don't work. You can mess with them. You see? You can mess with them, but they don't work. This is Bluetooth player only. Let's try to switch the song. How cool is that, guys, huh? To have radio from 70s with the Bluetooth in it. And that's it. This is Bluetooth player. Simply turn it off and job is done. Thumbs up, guys.